What are we looking at right here, Kenny?
It's a 1975 Caprice Classic with the bottom painted. We did one back in 16. You know, some people want next level and some people don't. The guys that don't, we might not be the shop for you. That's all.
How much work did it take to get it to this point?
It's not even talk aboutable. Like, it's ridiculous. You have to be a rare breed to do this. You have to be willing. And if you're not willing to step your game up, I don't sit in an office with my fucking feet up. I fucking build cars. There's a lot of people out there. You just gotta remember, I'm a coach. And this is the team. And we're always gonna be a dynasty. We might trade some players, but all this is because of what I want. And it'll never be anything other than what I want. I'm not gonna half-ass your car to save you a dime. I'm not gonna do it. There's a million other places you can go. But we do everything to our cars. So you can go any which way you want to go. But the top of the line, I still haven't built yet. I haven't built one for the guy that wants 30,000 interior. Every piece of the suspension gold plated. The most expensive paint. The most perfect bodywork. The most perfect underneath.
So no one stepped up to that yet.
This is the first one. This is the closest one. We'll see. I don't think it won't be one of the top ones, but I'm not gonna pull my chain. That's for y'all to do.
There you go, man. That's real. That's real. Bruce, man, what got you back into the game?
Man, I just met Kenny, and Kenny just made me get back into the game. He said, if you want a top dunk, stop going to all the places you're going and come to me. Just have the bag right. So, you know, I hear about a lot of 71s, 73s, 75s not getting no recognition, but I'm here to change that game. Because it's very sexy. I love the front end. I love the front end. There's gonna be a lot of gold on this car, guys. A lot of gold.
So we got a lot of surprises coming.
A lot of surprises are coming. Everything in the makings right now, thanks to this man right here. He taught me the way, guys. I knew nothing about frame offs. I knew nothing about metal on metal. It was always Bondo and everything else. Now I'm getting top of the line work, but it does come with the bag, whether it's a 71, 73, or 75. You gotta have that bag to put something like this together. Hey, ready? Steve will do it. Listen, man, this video is solely for you. I want you to come down to I-95 Motorsports and see the kind of work we're doing. The same dunk that you just gave Kodak Black was built right here in I-95 Motorsports 10 years ago. This is the newest edition of the I-95 Motorsports family. This is my car. I'm formerly known as White Boy Bruce. I've been in the dunk game a long time, took a vacation, now I'm back. This is 1975. We're going crazy with gold and chrome, man. It's built from the scratch up. It was a whole new car. Ground zero on up, man. Everything was built from scratch all over again. From the brake line to the A-arms, it's nothing but gold and chrome on everything you see on my car. So guys, we got the upper and lower control arms. This is the real gold. This is the gold, the California gold. This ain't the electroplating. This ain't the painted gold. This is the real gold, 24 karat. You stick a key on it, it's gonna keep on rubbing down the gold. You're not chipping nothing.
Man, gold everywhere, man. Fresh.
How nice is this gold, man?
I mean, a lot of money gold. A lot of money. Yeah,
We got over here.
Y'all come over here and see the fuck really
Got the ladder bars, ladder bars.
Yeah.
It's not out of the plastic yet, so I'm not gonna take it out of the plastic and let the builder do that. All gold ladder bars, everything to match. Stay tuned because the whole bumper is the same gold this is. Straight from the factory. Real 24 karat gold. This is the real deal, man.
Take him in that little room and show him the rest of the gold.
You wanna follow me, Lance?
Bruce, how perfect is this frame, man? Tell me about detail.
This frame,
Tell me about detail.
It's like this frame came from the worst piece of crap car you could see. Kenny says my dunk was the worst car he's ever seen in 20 years in business. So this was straight from scratch, rebuilt, refabricated with metal. Everything you see is brand new. They put all new wires. They don't use nothing old. You're paying for everything to be built from the ground up. It's like a ground zero job. And if you're not ready to do that, it's probably not the shop for you.
Oh, here come the thugs. What's up, y'all?
Show him some of the t-shirt designs we came up with so far.
Okay, hold on one second. I'm gonna put you on speakerphone. Hold on.
He's gonna pull it up for you. It's called Frame Off Apparel.
Tell me what's going on here.
We're just doing mock-ups. This is an idea that Kenny's had for a couple years. He's always wanted to do like a t-shirt company with some of his builds on there. That's so we're working on mock-ups right now. We got some silk screeners we've been talking to. We're just working on designs, seeing what works good and stuff like that. You know, just different types of stuff. Working with photography and making designs and stuff like that.
You gotta get a KandyonChrome if you want custom. If you want one of these things right there, you better hit up KandyonChrome, man.
I do this shit cause I love it. I do this shit cause I can. I do this shit in my sleep. I do this shit with no hands. I do this shit cause I'm good at it. I love to see people go on. I do this shit cause
Gladiators ready. Blue team ready.
'73 Caprice Classic, and it's a Gucci car. Right.
Oh.
The man, the myth, the legend. I don't know if it's the car or if it's me, but it takes a team to build something like this.
All right. Woo, look at you. Look how it feels. You look so mean. Just do something to my self-esteem. Y'all ready? Gladiators ready. Blue team ready. Y'all ready? Red team ready. Okay. All right, I'm scared.
We started the car probably about 2.5 years ago. It's been a long time coming. Everybody thinks the car is black. We're gonna do some outside pictures for you to show you that the car is green.